Ever wish you could effortlessly reorder your data in Excel to make sense of your spreadsheets? Let's first tackle moving entire rows to begin. Locate the row you wish to move. For instance, if you want to move row 3, click directly on the row number 3 on the left side of your screen. This will select the entire row. Once selected, right-click anywhere within the highlighted row. A context menu will appear. From this menu, choose the Cut option. This removes the row from its current position and places it on your clipboard. Now, navigate to where you want to insert your cut row. Let's say you want to move the original row 3 to become the new row 5. Click on the row number 5 to select it. With row 5 selected, right-click again from the context menu. Select Insert Cut Cells. This will paste your original row 3 above the current row 5, effectively moving it. Moving columns follows a very similar process. Identify the column you want to move. For example, column B. Click directly on the column letter B at the top to select the entire column. Right-click on the selected column B. Just like with rows, a context menu will pop up. Choose Cut from this menu. Now, decide where you want to insert it. If you want to move column B to become the new column D, click on the column letter D to select it. Finally, right-click on the selected column D and choose Insert Cut Cells. Your original column B will now be moved to this new position. Mastering these simple techniques will dramatically improve your data organization and analysis in Excel. Optimize your spreadsheet skills today.